for a long time. They invited me to come over here, this Mariam Nagar church. I think it is supposed to be the first church in Tripura. So there are so many patients, hail from this church. So they told me to come on 25th also in Christmas Day. I have to come here. And our speaker, he used to tell me to visit over here. So I came here only to see the status of this church and all. So there are some minor problems that has to be sorted. Already our speaker Mohoday already have addressed. So just for this only I have come here.
So one thing is now the fairness in our
state also. Already I have directed our secretary, and we are already tested. No, we are trained already. So in that direction again we have to have to get ready to cope up this problem.
Cope up with. Sorry.